Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. Okay, let's start the chapter 4 from exercise 4.2, question number 2, second part. What is the question? A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. In a day, produces a certain number of toys. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 50 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. Find the number of toys produced on that day. You have to find number of toys produced on that day. For this, I will assume let the number of toys is x. Number of toys is x in that day. In that day, the number of toys produced in that day. Solution: let the number of toys produced in that day is x. Yes. Have you understood the question? Because I have to rub the board, there is no space to write. I have to rub the board. I am going to rub on X is the number of toys produced in that day. And here it is written the cost of production was rupees 75. On a particular day, the cost of production is rupees 75. Then this is the total cost of the product, total cost of the production. Then what will be the cost of production of one toy? Cost of production of one toy will be 750 upon x rupees. This is the cost of production. 750 is the cost of production of all the toys which are produced. Then the cost of production of one toy will be 750 upon x rupees. In the question it is written as on a particular day the total number cost is this here. Found to be 55 minus the number of toys. Meaning that the cost of production of each toy is 750 upon x is found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day, meaning that x is the number of toys produced in that day. Equation is complete. Now you have to solve this equation. Equation is formed. You have to solve this equation only. First of all, you should simplify it. 750 x will be multiplied cross in this side 55x. X will be multiplied to minus x square. Transfer this minus x square will come in this side. It will become plus x square. plus 55x will come in this side, it will become minus 55 minus x minus 55x, and this is plus 750 equals 0. Now we have to solve this equation. This is quadratic equation. You have to solve by splitting, by splitting the middle term. How will you? 55 will be broken into two numbers in such a way that the addition should come 55 and the multiplication of that number should come 750. For this, 750 will be factorized. First of all, 750, the last term will be factorized by 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 2 5 are 10. By 3, 1, 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15. By 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. By 5, 5 5 are 25. By 5, 1. Here 5 5 are 25. I am taking 5 5 are 25, and the remaining 5 into 3 into 3, 5 into 3 15, 2 are 30. 30, and this is 55. 5 5 are 25. This will be 55. Now 55 has been broken into two numbers, 30 and 25. After multiplication of 25 and 30, the result will come 750. Therefore, the middle term will be split into two numbers, 30 and 25. X square minus, in place of 55, I will write 30x, 30 minus sign, 30x, 30 will retain along with x. Again, due to minus sign, this plus will change to minus 25 along with x, and plus 750 equals 0. Now this is one group, this is another group. From one group, I will take common as x, because the minimum power of x is 1. I will take common as x power 1. X minus 30. After taking common, I will make a bracket, divide by x. X square will be cancelled by x, minus sign, x will divide x, 30 will remain, bracket closed. The work of first group is finished. Now the second group will start with minus sign, 25 and 750, 25 is common. 25 will divide 25, it will be cancelled, x will remain. Due to minus sign, this plus will change to minus sign. 25, 3 are 75, 3 and 0 equals 0, bracket closed. Now x minus 30, both the brackets are same. Under the bracket, the quantities are same. Therefore, I will take the bracket as a whole. X minus 30, it is a common. Now make the another bracket. X minus 30 will divide x minus 30, x will remain, minus sign, x minus 30 will divide x minus 30, 25 will remain. Now the product of two factors is 0. It is possible only when both the factors are 0, or both factor is 0. I will equate to 0 each factor. X minus 30 equals 0, x equal to 30, and x minus 25 equals 0, x equal to 25. 30, there are two answers, 30 and 30. What is the total number of toys? Total number of toys produced in that day, 30 or 25. 30 or 25. Both the answers are correct.